You guys how you can split your screen into two. You'll be able to split your screen into two. This will enable you to multitask using your phone. You'll be able to chat on your WhatsApp while you're browsing your internet on your Chrome browser or your Phoenix browser. You'll be able to watch videos on YouTube while you're also browsing your internet. You'll be able to chat someone on Telegram and also watch YouTube videos. In general, you'll be able to multitask using your phone. You can use two apps at the same time. So I'm going to be showing you guys two easy and quick methods that you can use to split your screen and multitask. So guys, if you want to know more, make sure you follow me to the end of this video. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. The first method is the inbuilt feature. Most phones nowadays come with the split screen feature. The phone I'm using now actually has the split screen feature. So guys, I'm going to show you guys how you can do it using my phone here. I want you to take note of something. Turning on this split screen feature is different for different phones. The way I turn on my split screen feature on my phone might be different from the way you would turn yours. But nevertheless, turning on my split screen feature might be the same with your own phone. So let me go ahead to show you guys how I do it in my phone. So for me to do it in my phone, all I have to do now is to have a long press on my minimize button. You can see my minimize button on the bottom left corner. You can see it there. So let me minimize, let you see. The minimize button is the button you press when you want to see the apps that you've opened previously. You can see this is the apps that I've opened previously. So that's the button I'm telling you to have a long press on. So let me have a long press on my minimize button right away. So guys, before I go ahead to have a long press on the minimize button, let me first of all open an app. So guys, let me tap on one of my apps to open it. Let me tap on my YouTube app. So guys, as you can see now, I'm on my YouTube app. For me now to split my screen into two, for me to multitask, all I have to do now is to have a long press on my minimize button. You can see my minimize button on the left bottom corner. So let me have a long press on it. Wow guys, you can see my screen is splitting. Let's just wait for some seconds. Wow guys, you can see now my screen has been splitted. As you can see above, I have my YouTube, while below I have the apps that I can actually tap on to open. You can see now, let me open one of my app down here. Let me open my WhatsApp. Let me tap on my WhatsApp. So guys, you can see my WhatsApp is opening. Here's my WhatsApp now. I can go ahead now to tap on any chat. You can message the person right away. Above there where we have the YouTube app open, I can also tap on one of the video. Let me tap on this video right away. So guys, you can see the video has started playing. This is so cool. You can see my YouTube video is playing at the top. So guys, still under this first method, let me show you guys an alternative way. Let me cancel out of this. So guys, this is how you do the alternative method under the first method. All you have to do now is to just press on the minimize button. This time around, you're not having a long press. So let me tap on my minimize button. So guys, yeah, under this minimize apps, these apps that you've used previously, you can see here we have the split screen icon. You can see the arrow pointing at it. If you want to split the screen, all you have to do is to tap on the split screen. You can see the arrow pointing at the split screen icon. Once you tap on the split screen, your screen will be splitted into two immediately. So guys, that is that for the alternative method under the first method. So guys, you can see this is how it's done. So guys, let's go over to the second method. The second method will require you to download and install an app into your phone. So what you have to do is to go over to your Play Store or you go over to your App Store in case you're using an iPhone. Then you search for split screen. So let me go over to my Play Store. Let me search for split screen. So you tap on the search bar, then you search for split screen. So guys, you can see here we have so many results here, but the split screen app I'm recommending for you is the first one. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So what you have to do is to download and install it. So let me tap on it so you see the app clearly. So guys, you can see this is the app right here. What you have to do now is to download and install it. Once you download and install it, then you tap on open. So let me tap on open. So guys, once you open the app for the first time, this is the first interface you're going to see. So guys, you can see we have two options here, the app above, the app below. So you have to choose the app that you want to appear above and the app that you want to appear below. So you have to choose two apps. So let me tap on the app above so we can choose the app that I want to add. Let me tap on it. So guys, over here you have to choose the app that I want to appear above. So let me tap on Chrome. So guys, you can see I've chosen Chrome. So let's choose the app for below. So you tap on the plus icon. You can see here the arrow is pointing at. Let me tap on it. So let me search for WhatsApp. I want WhatsApp to be the app below. You can see guys, I've chosen WhatsApp. So guys, you can see now I have Chrome and WhatsApp. So I want Chrome to appear at the top and WhatsApp to appear below. So guys, once you're done doing this, all you have to do is to tap on Startup. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on Startup. So guys, you can see now my Chrome is at the top while my WhatsApp is below. I can browse the internet at the top while I'm chatting below. So guys, this is how you can actually do this using this external app that you can download and install into your phone. So guys, this is where I say goodbye, and I believe you got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you in our next upload. Bye bye. Peace.